Hi guys, happy Monday. To be honest, this is not a video that I was going to make. But abantu be-ANC, they've been coming for me. Ubana, yeah, mina ndiyakhetha. Why didn't I do, why didn't I analyze or give feedback on the ANC rally? Or my comment based or a reaction on the ANC rally. So they've been inboxing me even when I was live. Someone came and asked me. So I was like, okay, it's fine. I promised to that person that it's fine. I'm going to make a video today. Honestly, I think the ANC rally was good. It was not bad. Yes, it was in a small venue, but it was organized. And I saw someone from the MK, what's his name? David Skosan, Bosiswe Mkobane's husband. I don't know his name. I just know Bangus Kosan. He posted a picture of the MK rally and he said, Ubana, the ANC rally reminds him of Force Loros. And I'm like, you can't compare that rally, yase ANC, yase Kailicha, to that Force Loros rally MK. La rally, people were everywhere. I'm going to show you a video of the ANC on how everyone was contained inside kakuhle. Now, even our president, where they were sitting, their seats, no one was squished. Like, it was properly done. And as I would expect it, because the ANC 10, you ruling part, I wouldn't expect anything less from them. So they did well. I didn't post a video because I felt like they sort of did well. It was 100% better than AMK. Definitely. If that's what you wanted to hear from me. But the party now is in trouble. Ufikile Mbalula, they promised that they were going to go on Robben Island. And they asked about what they were going to do in Robben Island. So Ufikile Mbalula went there in a private yacht. Yacht. He went there on a private yacht. So Ngogo, he's kind of in trouble because why would you go on a private yacht? While you say the country doesn't have money, wara, when you rock up on a yacht, son, living the best life. And I see Ufikile Mbalula posted on, because that question was asked on Gwede Mandash. So I see he posted, he said, if you really wanted the answer, you should have asked me, not to Gwede. Ask me. So you guys had a good event, but you ruined it because also your after party, after that event in Kailicha, your people went to clubbing. There were girls there. So you guys just ruined your own thing. If only you had that thing and then you went home. Yeah, but in Goku, you had to invite baddies and just do his intentions out tetis. So yeah, that's my feedback. I've got nothing much to say.